Oil pulling with coconut oil can transform your dental health. Oil pulling is an ancient Indian folk remedy claimed to whiten your teeth, freshen your breath, and greatly improve your oral health. Using coconut oil for oil pulling is becoming increasingly popular. A lot of people swear by this remedy, and many say it also improves their health in other ways. This video explores whether there is any truth behind these claims or whether oil pulling is just another useless trend. What is oil pulling and how does it work? Oil pulling involves swishing oil around the mouth, using it like a mouthwash. It has been used for thousands of years as an Indian folk remedy. In order to oil pull, you put a tablespoon of oil in your mouth, then swish it around for 15-20 minutes. The main benefit of doing this is that it reduces the amount of harmful bacteria in the mouth. There are hundreds of different types of bacteria in your mouth. While many of them are friendly, others are not. The bacteria in your mouth create a biofilm on your teeth, a thin layer known as plaque. Having some plaque on your teeth is perfectly normal, but if it gets out of hand, it can cause various problems, including bad breath, gum inflammation, gingivitis, and cavities. The way oil pulling works is simple. When you swish the oil around your mouth, the bacteria gets swept away and dissolved in the liquid oil. Oil pulling should work with pretty much any oil, but extra virgin coconut oil is a popular choice due to its pleasant taste. It also has a favorable fatty acid profile, containing high amounts of lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties. Coconut oil pulling can reduce harmful bacteria in your mouth. Streptococcus mutans is one of the main bacteria in your mouth and a key player in plaque buildup and tooth decay. One study in 60 adults showed that oil pulling with coconut oil for 10 minutes every day significantly reduced the number of Streptococcus mutans in saliva in as little as 2 weeks, compared to distilled water. Another study in children concluded that coconut oil was as effective as a standard chlorhexidine mouthwash at reducing Streptococcus mutans. While these results are promising, more studies are needed comparing the effectiveness of coconut oil to other types of oils. Oil pulling can reduce plaque and gingivitis. Gingivitis is caused by inflammation of the gums and occurs when your immune system starts attacking the bacteria in the plaque. One study in 20 adolescent boys with plaque-induced gingivitis compared the effects of sesame oil pulling and a standard chlorhexidine mouthwash. Both oil pulling and mouthwash were effective against gingivitis. Coconut oil has similar benefits. Another one-month study in 60 adolescents found that daily coconut oil pulling significantly reduced markers of gingivitis. Oil pulling can reduce bad breath. Bad breath, otherwise known as halitosis, is in many cases caused by the smell of chemicals and gases produced by bacteria in your mouth. It's associated with infections, gingivitis, and overall poor oral hygiene. It makes sense that if you get rid of some of these bacteria and improve your oral health, you reduce the likelihood of having bad breath. A study in 20 adolescents showed that oil pulling with sesame oil significantly reduced all markers of bad breath and was as effective as a chlorhexidine mouthwash. More studies need to examine whether oil pulling with coconut oil has similar benefits for halitosis. But given that it may reduce plaque and gingivitis, it seems likely. Misconceptions. There are many misconceptions about oil pulling. One common claim is that oil pulling can whiten your teeth. However, currently no studies confirm this benefit. Some people also believe that oil pulling is a type of detox that draws toxins from the blood. No evidence supports this idea. Finally, there is no scientific evidence that this remedy helps treat any diseases other than those affecting the mouth. How to do oil pull? Oil pulling is incredibly simple. 1. Put about a tablespoon of oil in your mouth. 2. Swish the oil around your mouth for about 15-20 minutes. 3. Spit out the oil, then brush your teeth. It's best to spit the oil out onto a piece of paper and put it in the trash. The fat might otherwise clog your pipes over time. There is no need to use a lot of force. If oil pulling causes pain in your facial muscles, relax a bit. Try using less oil next time and don't swish it around too forcefully. Some people say it's best to oil pull on an empty stomach before brushing your teeth. Many do it while showering or bathing in the morning. The bottom line: oil pulling with coconut oil is a simple method that may reduce your risk of bad breath, cavities, and gingivitis. There are plenty of other health claims associated with oil pulling, but most are not supported by science. Nevertheless, oil pulling seems to be an excellent complementary strategy to improve your oral hygiene. It's definitely worth trying. And that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.